Welcome to this beginner's guide to the stock market. In this video, we will cover the basics of the stock market and how it works. Whether you're completely new to investing or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. What is the stock market? The stock market is a platform where publicly traded companies sell ownership shares, called stocks, to investors in exchange for capital. Essentially, when you buy a stock, you own a portion of the company and are entitled to a share of its profits. The stock market is where these stocks are bought and sold. How does the stock market work? The stock market works by matching buyers and sellers of stocks. When a company decides to sell shares, it hires an investment bank to underwrite the offering and bring the shares to market. Investors then buy the shares through a stock exchange, such as the National Stock Exchange, NSE, or BSE. How to invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but it's not as complicated as it seems. Here are the steps to get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you start investing, it's essential to understand the stock market's basics and different investment options available. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. You'll need to open a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. There are several options to choose from, and it's important to compare fees and services before selecting one. Step 3. Decide on your investment strategy. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you decide on the types of stocks and investments to purchase. Step 4. Research stocks. Do your due diligence before investing in any stock. Review financial statements, company news, and analyst reports to evaluate the company's health and potential for growth. Step 5. Buy stocks. Once you have decided on a stock to invest in, you can place an order through your brokerage account. You can either buy individual stocks or invest in a mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF. Risks and benefits of investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market comes with both risks and benefits. The potential benefits include high returns and the ability to grow your wealth over time. However, the risks include the possibility of losing money due to market fluctuations and the lack of guarantees that your investments will perform as expected. Conclusion. In conclusion, the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's essential to do your research and understand the risks and benefits before investing. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's crucial to be patient and disciplined in your approach. We hope this beginner's guide to the stock market has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.